Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to rename a file on Windows 11 PC. Okay, simply click on your Windows folder, Explorer, and select file. In my case, this is my file, and right click on it. Otherwise, you can press F2 for getting rename option quickly. Okay, there is no rename option, and there is functions you can see here, rename, and there is shortcut F2. Click on that, then you will get this text here. Automatically select old name, and you can simply start to type on it. So here is my title on that video: how to open PDF file on laptop. Okay, so that's guys very simple. In this way you can simply rename any file here. Simply click on a file, then press on F2, then click the file, then click on F2 button, then it will be start renaming. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.